In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Facebook ads balance in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small business or running large marketing campaigns, keeping track of your ad spend is essential. Understanding your ads balance ensures you're making the most of your advertising budget and helps avoid any unexpected billing issues. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to help you achieve this easily and effectively. First things first, open your internet browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Facebook Ads Manager and hit enter. This handy tool is the control center for all your Facebook advertising activities, offering insights, data, and most crucially, your budget information. Once you've located the Facebook Ads Manager link in your search results, go ahead and click on it. After landing on the Ads Manager page, you'll see an option prominently displayed called Go to Ads Manager. Click on it to proceed to the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point for accessing your account details and monitoring your campaigns. Now, to view your ads balance, you first need to log into your Facebook account. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and do that, ensuring you use the correct credentials associated with your ads account. Once entered, simply click on the login button and you'll be forwarded to your Ads Manager dashboard. On the main dashboard, you'll be presented with an overview of your current ad campaigns. For a closer look at your financial activities, navigate towards the top of the page where you will find the campaigns dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Within the campaigns dashboard, finding the balance section is relatively straightforward. Look for the billing and payments tab, which you should click on. This tab holds all the essential financial data concerning your ad campaigns and is integral for tracking your spending and planning your future budgets. Now that you're in the billing and payments section, direct your attention to another option labeled Payment Settings. Click on this to access detailed information about your account's transaction history and billing details. Under the Payment Settings section, you'll discover a subsection labeled Available Funds. Here, you'll see your current ads balance displayed prominently. This is your available balance, showing you how much funds you still have for your active campaigns. And there you have it, you've successfully checked your Facebook ads balance. Keeping an eye on this figure is a practical way to ensure your advertising is on track and that you're making the most of your allocated budget. Regularly monitoring this can prevent overspending and help optimize your ad strategy. Thanks for watching, and may your ad campaigns be both effective and efficient.